to figure out how many employees take lunch breaks that are between 30 and 60 minutes long, we need to add up the 3 bars that are between 30 and 60 on the histogram. And notice that the bar between 30 and 40 goes up to 14, which means that 14 employees take lunch breaks that are between 30 and 40 minutes long. And the bar between 40 and 50 goes up to 16, which means that 16 employees take lunch breaks between 40 and 50 minutes long. And the bar between 50 and 60 goes up to 10. So 10 employees take lunch breaks that are between 50 and 60 minutes long. And when we add 14, 16, and 10, we get 40. So 40 employees take lunch breaks that are between 30 and 60 minutes long. And that's the answer to problem 6.